So let's classify the heat transfer related problems or questions so that we can easily understand and grasp what we need to find, what type of formulas we can use, what type of assumptions we can make. So this classification will be very helpful. So the topic is classification of heat transfer problems. The first thing we can differentiate them is on the basis of steady state and transient state. So steady state means the things doesn't change with time. Remember, it can change with the spatial coordinates x, y, z. It only doesn't change with time. And in transient state, it will change with time. The second thing will be the multidimensional or dimensionality. So it could be one dimensional or multidimensional. And the third would be if it involves heat generation or not. So these are the three things we can think of if things are changing with time or not. Things are generally what we can check is temperature or the heat transfer rate. Or heat transfer rate will also involve heat transfer, flux, everything. But mainly we check the temperature and the rate of heat transfer. The second thing we can check is the dimensions involved, if it is only in one dimension or there are multiple dimensions involved, x, y and z. And third thing we can check if the heat generation is present or not. So these are the three basic classifications. In the next subsequent videos we will go into details of what steady state means, what it implies, what type of simplifications it will bring in, etc. Okay, thank you.